Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, my name is Tichie. Karibu. My hair is fresh from an Ayurvedic wash day. I did a video on that, so I'll put a link up there so you can go check it out. My hairstyle turned out not exactly how I wanted it, so I'm struggling to find a name for it, but let me just show you guys how everything went down. The product that I'll be using is this Moringa and Lemongrass Curling Custard by Saru. Now, this is my first time trying out this product. It does look like a custard, even the texture. Now we're going to put it to test. I will be working with Saru for the next couple of months, and they've given me a discount code for you guys. So any product that you see me using and you'd like to test out, feel free to use my discount code. It's Tichie with no space in the middle, for you to get 10% off. So I usually start off by applying the product in big sections. This will ensure that I don't use a lot of product on my hair, and then when I go and work in small sections, I'll apply the product as needed. At this point, you can see side by side the difference between the side where there's product and where there's no product. Where there's product, there's a little bit of shine and definition. So I'll go ahead and do what I did to the other side, apply the product, work it in this big section, and concentrating the product at the ends and working my way up to the roots. So I decided to do a defined center part, and I don't know why I play myself, because I know I don't wear my hair in a center part, but let's just go ahead and see what happens. So this is the first section we are working with. I just work through with my fingers and then later on go in with a Denman brush to make sure that all the knots, tangles, and it's tangle free, ready for flat twisting. And can you see how I'm struggling? This just goes to show that finger detangling is not enough. You need to at least go in with a brush afterwards. And you will know you've detangled your hair well when you're flat twisting with ease. Can you just see how my fingers are sliding? No knots, no tangles. That's what we want, guys, because the results will also be as good. Now, this direction of flat twisting is not the move, especially if you want to do a flat twist out. This way of flat twisting is great if you want to wear the flat twist as a hairstyle. So I ended up taking it down and doing it again, and this time the flat twist direction is towards my face and not away from my face like I did before. And you can see this type of flat twist catches even the baby hairs. It's so nice and taut and perfect for a flat twist out because you'll get great definition. So I ended up doing 2 flat twists on each side and a couple of single twists at the back. So this is the next day, and I slept in my Nappy Happy Satin bonnet to protect my hair throughout the night. And as always, we have to blend in the hairline, girl, you know. So unfortunately, my twists were not dry and I needed to go. So I had to bring out my blow dryer and try and help them dry up real quick because I needed to go. The setting in the blow dryer is medium heat and medium speed. That's why you can see I'm not burning my hand. I'm just trying to blow some air into the into the hair so that it can dry up. I am always snacking while I'm shooting because hey, the hanger pans are real. I did bring out my pair of shears because I needed to trim off some really dry and raggedy ends because hey, those really affect the entire look of your hair. If you have frizzy ends, it's because those ends needed to go. So don't hesitate to chop them off and then you'll have a nice result. So what I ended up doing is called dusting, and I do this quite often and I'm thinking I'm becoming scissor happy. Going in with a light oil, I think this is olive oil, but you can use any oil of your choice provided it's light. I coat my entire hands and then rub it through my hair, and this is preparing my hair for the takedown. I take down my hair very gently and I am loving the definition. The thing I love the most about flat twisting is that when you're taking it down, you're already sectioning it into small sections and you end up getting so much definition and less frizz compared to like taking down single twists. Yeah, so I love that about flat twists. Now can you see what I meant when I said flat twist towards your face? It gives you better results. The twist behind this one was twisted towards the back and I feel like I didn't get as much definition compared to this one. This one turned out so good. And the good thing is it is framing my face, so it's okay for the other one to be like that, but this one that is framing my face has to look good. So I go in and try and separate the twists that were at the back because those were twists, they were not flat twists, so they were not pre-sectioned. So you can see how the hair turned out. I really like it, especially the front. So I go in with a hair pick and try and lift up my roots just to create more volume. Now picking from under instead of over is much better because you don't want to mess up with the definition, but you want to get the volume. And then I go in with my fingers and just try and work in the magic, separate what needs to be separated. Now this is the right way to separate. You pull apart the hair and where it naturally separates is where you help it separate. If that makes sense. Now you do remember my hair wasn't dry completely, and you can see my roots are kind of afro-y, puffy-ish. But no worries, we are going to revisit this hairstyle again, and we are going to definitely revisit the product. So let's just enjoy this hairstyle for what it is right now. Definition is definitely there. You guys already peeped that I did flip my hair over to the side. So I'm going to go in with this peak and get rid of the center part. And the final thing I do to bring this look together is to accessorize. And I do have a video for this and other pair of earrings that I wear in my videos, so you can go check that out. And guys, this is the final look. And that's it for this video. Make sure to subscribe before you leave, and I'll see you on the next one. Mwah. Bye guys.